Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. Looks like it won't be too much longer. I only need a couple more cucumbers so that I can make another batch of dill pickles. Oh my, this is why we enjoy what we do here on the homestead, having fresh produce. This, for us, is the most wonderful time of year. And look at those bell peppers. And we're still getting tomatoes. So wonderful having fresh produce. And oh yeah, there's one pear right there. I just did a test on it to see how much longer before we get to pick our pears. And it looks like we're going to be canning pears pretty soon. So if you don't mind, please like, share, and subscribe and help me reach 2,000 subscribers. Come back and visit often now at the Cozy Cottage Homestead.